What is going on, everybody? I hope you guys are doing well. So today we're gonna look at M17 AZDOME Wi-Fi dash camera. It's fully HD 1080p dash cam, comes with super night vision. The camera lens is around 150 degrees wide, so that's pretty cool. Comes with a G sensor, parking monitoring, loop recording. The good thing about this camera is it comes with the memory card to go along with the dash camera. So let's start unboxing and reviewing this product. Let's look at the box. On the front it says AZDOME dash cam, enjoy your smart driving, and on the sides there's nothing much on the box itself. So let's open this up. Box here, take this out. So here it has a dash camera, I believe. Let's take this out here. Perfect. So that's all was into the box here. So here this is a prying tool and some sticky double-sided tape so you can organize your wire in the car. I'll go over this later on. Some plastic sheet to install the camera onto your windscreen. A memory card. So this is pretty good from AZDOME that they are giving out the memory card with the dashcam. A lot of companies, they don't give the memory card out, so you have to buy it separately. So that's pretty good. Some wipes, power supply module. So this one goes onto the camera. I'll show this later on. Camera itself here. So that's pretty good. I like the feel of this camera. It feels like heavy duty. Plus this one also moves, so you can adjust the angle. I'll go over all over this later on. Also comes with the power supply with a long cable so you can organize. So let's see how this one goes onto your dash cam here. So you take this out and I guess you just slide it in perfectly and it's connected. Let's look at the camera itself. At the front it says wide angle lens. That's where the huge lens is. This lens is 150 degrees wide, and you can also move this camera up and down so you can adjust according to your need. And on the side it says AZDOME, and at the bottom it has a Wi-Fi symbol. So you can download on this dashcam, you can actually download the videos by using a AZDOME app on your smartphone, and you can download it directly onto your phone. So that's pretty cool, instead of taking out the memory card and putting in your laptop and then downloading the videos. So this is pretty convenient. And on the right side it says fully high HD quality, comes with the speaker, and on this side it has a memory card slot where you can install the memory card. It can take up to 128 gigabyte memory card, but the AZDOME only give 32 gigabyte into the box, so that's what I'm gonna use it. And at the bottom it has some button for control, and the screen itself is 3-inch wide for your proper touch control. And on the other side there is also a couple of buttons here that we will go through this later on into this video. And on the top it has that's where you power up your dash cam here. So that's where you plug in your wire, and this is a AV port if you want to connect the back camera, but M17 model does not comes with the rear camera, so we don't have to worry about this one. And you can also, once you install this, you can just slide this in onto the top here, and you can also power the camera from a secondary USB port at the top, depends on your need. And this is where you stick this camera to the windshield. So now let's go ahead and put this in the car. Let's connect the dash cam to the car here. So it comes with a plastic film. I'll tell you how to install it properly, and comes with a wipe too. So let's clean this windshield a little bit up here, and we'll connect so you have to use the wet one first. Clean the top here, just pick a right place where you want to put the plastic film in and the dash cam. So perfectly fine. Take out the dry one, so make sure all the wet particles are dried out properly. Good. Let's clean this up here. This portion, that's where I'm planning to put the dash cam in. Take the plastic film. I'm just gonna clean it on the top a little bit. Perfectly fine. Let's take this out. You have to peel the top part first. Perfectly fine. And let's just put this film in here, the place where you wanna put the dash cam in. So I'm gonna put it right here. That's where I'm planning to install the dash cam. I'm just gonna stick it properly. So now this dash cam, I'm gonna put this, slide this in here. Perfect. Let's just fake it where I want to put the dash cam in. I'm just gonna directly put here. So that's how it's gonna look like, just to make sure how you put the film fine. So it also has a 3M sticky cover at the top. You have to take this one out before you stick this to the windscreen. So this is how you take this out. This is stick perfect. Good. So I'm just gonna pick a right spot here where I'm planning to put the dash cam in. Perfect. So this is good. This is installed properly here, and stick it correctly. Now let's power this up. So I'm gonna put this. So the good thing about this power adapter is it comes with a USB port here, so you're not gonna waste your power supply port in the car. You can put this in, and you can also charge your phone, and you can just use it as a regular. It also comes with 1.0. The output of the USB is 1.0, so that's good enough to charge any device. So now let's connect this to the power supply. I'm just gonna put it here. It's done. I'm gonna put the cable on the top to turn on the camera here. So let's see when this one is started. Perfect. Nice. It just started up. So now when the dash cam is installed, you can correct the angle lens by moving the camera lens up and down. You can actually move the whole base here. So the good thing about this camera is I'll just move this camera here. I can show you how you can adjust the lens. You can directly just move the lens up and down, horizontal or vertical. Now I have properly put this wire and organize it perfectly fine here. I run all the way this wire all the way underneath, just tuck it in all the way, keep following this, and from here I went all the way to this side and keep going here and underneath, and it's connected. I connected this directly to the power supply here. Let me just tie this little bit of slag. It's pretty good and pretty clean. It's not really hard to install this dash cam and organize this cable. I use this prior tool. It came with the dash cam. So now let's go over the menu of this dash cam. So on the left there is a menu button. Once you press that, all the menu option will pop up. So let's go over the first one. It says 1080p. This is the video mode, how you wanna save your video. So you can go to 720p, 1080p. It's up to you. I'll set it up as 1080p. This is the loop setting, how you wanna save your video in a loop of 1 minute, 3 minute, or let's see, 3 minutes or 5 minutes. I'm gonna set it up as 1 minute. Next option is the microphone option. If you want to turn this on and off, I turn this off for now. This is the aperture brightness option. You can pick this up. I just have it at 0. This one is the time lapse. If you want to do a time lapse video, you can turn this one on. This one is automatic departure assistance. So this is when you turn this one on, there will be 2 lines on your dash camera that will follow the lane you're going into. If you go out of your lane, the camera will start beep like you're out of your lane. And next option is your G sensor, how you wanna select your G sensor sensitivity. So I have it on very low. Same thing for parking mode sensor. I'm gonna leave it as very low. I don't want it to record video all the time. This is the language option. I'm just gonna leave it as English. This is the volume. I have it in the middle, 50%. This one is the LCD power save. This is one of the good option I like. So after 3 minutes, I would set it up as 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, your camera will turn off. Not actually turn off, but on the background, it will be recording the video. And this is the power off option. You can turn off your dash cam after how many minutes. I have it off. This is the frequency setting. So it depends on the country or region you're living into. Set your frequency hertz. This is the clock setting. Stamp if you wanna have a M17 AZDOME stamp on every video, so you can turn it off too. This is the Wi-Fi. This is when you use to connect your dash cam to your phone to download the videos. I'll show it to you guys later on. So this one is the fatigue warning. So you can set it up 2 hours or 3 hours. It's gonna give you a warning after. This is the SD card format option. After 30 days, it will format your SD card. Next is the format SD card. So if you want to format the SD card right away, you can go ahead and do it. This is the reset setup. You can reset it right here, all the settings. This is the information of the software version you have on the dash cam. So these are all the options this dash cam comes with. These are a lot of, like, quite a bit of option as compared to other dash cams out in their market. So now to download the videos onto your smartphone, you simply has to download the AZDOME app. Type here once you type it in, this is the app I'm talking about, AZDOME. Install this in. It's gonna take a couple of minutes to install. So this app is installed now. Open this up, confirm. So I have this app installed now. So what you have to do is onto your dash cam, go to the Wi-Fi setting and make sure the Wi-Fi is turned on. In my case, it's turned on. So what you have to do is you have to go back to the main screen, just leave it on as is, otherwise it won't connect. In here, what you have to do is go to your, so you guys can see there is AZDOME M17 here, and for the password you have to look into the manual. It tells you what the password on the dash cam is, as here it says 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So let's type this in, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Perfect. It's going to take a few minutes to connect. It is connected. It says connected without internet. That's fine. That's how it's supposed to do. Keep Wi-Fi connection. So now you guys have to open the AZDOME app. It's right here. Perfect. Just make sure it says there AZDOME M17. Click to it. Once you click to it, it will connect. I'm gonna stop the recording. So to access the videos, you guys have to do the device album, phone videos. So these are all the videos on the dash cam. You can just directly download it or play any video here. So I'll just pick one for now. Once you click that, as you guys can see, it is playing, and there's a download option at the bottom. You can also download the video, and later you can share whoever you want to. Do it on the app. Instead of the dashcam, there's microphone resolution setting and switch mode. I'll switch camera. There's no back camera, so I'm just not gonna touch this one. Perfect. If you go to the setting, you guys can set everything here: loop recording resolution, G sensor sensitivity, low aperture, data stamp, all kind of stuff. You can also control everything from your app. So that's it, how you can download the videos without taking the SD card and put it on your laptop. The setup on the dashcam is pretty good, pretty easy. It sticks perfectly fine on the windshield. I've been using it for a couple of weeks now, no issues. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, please hit that subscribe button, and talk to you guys later.